Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IoTeX coin. On 4th of July, I shared an idea at the Patreon for my members that the IoTeX has formed a very big bullish harmonic cipher pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And at that time, after the formation of this cipher, the price line was also at the very end of this buying zone. As per the Fibonacci sequence, I defined this buying and sell targets of the IoTeX coin. And we were also having a very nice support of 50 simple moving average as well. Let me play this chart and show you how this chart executed, and then I'll take you to the live weekly time frame chart and I'll show you how the IoTeX has still potential to move more up. And here we can see this is the price at that time at 2.08 cents, approximately 2 cents. The price line was at the very end of this bullish cipher pattern, and we were also having a nice support of 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action exploded, and we have the rally up to 7.64 cents. That is more than 260%. Really huge move. And it was a really very low risk and high reward trade. And I told my members in this idea, you can see that therefore this is a low risk trade because the price action is moving at the very end of the buying zone. And if we set a risk stop loss, the buying zone of this bullish cipher, it can be a really very low risk and high reward trading idea. And now you can see that it has exploded, and we have more than 260% rally so far. By the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this was my sell target from 4.1 cents to 6.6 cents. And you can see that it has rallied even beyond this level. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here I have defined 4 major support and resistance levels. This was our key level support at 1.8 cents. It has been working as a very strong support here, and for the past several weeks it has been working recently as a very strong support, you can see. And at the same time, we were also having the support of this 50 simple moving average as well. Now the price line first broke out this 3.2 cents resistance. Let me just switch to the daily time frame, then it will be easy for us to show you that for how many past several days the price line is moving to the upside. You can see that this rally was in fact started here after 21st of July, and we had a minor rally, and now it has turned into a very huge bullish rally. And we can see that after testing this key level support of 1.8 cents, it first broke out 3.2 cents and moved to the next resistance at 5.5, and now it is trying to break out the final resistance at 7 cents. Now, if we switch to the 1 hourly time frame chart to watch what the price line is doing on the smaller time frame, then we can see that here the price line is facing this resistance. Like previously on the hourly time frame chart, it was clearly visible that the price line was having strong resistance here and on the previous resistance level here as well. And it is possible that on the small time frame charts, the price action will move sideways here, and then it will break out the next resistance. However, for the firm move, I'll be looking for the daily closing above 7.5. Even though we are not having the daily closing above this previous support, that is working as a support now, that was previously working as a resistance at 5.5 cents. So we should look for the daily closing. And now if we switch back to the weekly time frame, then we can see that we are also breaking out the 25 simple moving average, and this 25 simple moving average was a very strong resistance, but you can see that now right now the price line is breaking it out very easily. Now if we take a look at the different indicators, these are very important indicators, and these indicators and oscillators gave us the signals in advance that the price line is really going to start a very bullish move. You can see that when the price action was testing this support of 1.8 cents, at the same time this MACD indicator started turning bullish. You can see it was very strong bearish here, and then it started turning bullish here. And we also received a buying signal here by the stochastic as well. The blue line of the stochastic crosses the red line from the oversold zone. That was a very strong buying signal. And look at this momentum indicator. A few days back it was turned bullish. It was started turning bullish. In fact, it has turned weak bearish from strong bearish. So this was another bullish signal on the weekly time frame, and after few days we can see now the price action is exploded. For last 3 days we are having very strong rally towards the upside, even though the rally was started here, and then it has turned even more stronger. Now this is again on the weekly time frame. Here I have removed all the pattern tools and the indicators as well. Here, if I connect all these candlesticks on the weekly time frame, from this candlestick to this and this one as well, and this candlestick, then we can see that we are having this resistance on that is an uptrend trend line resistance. And if the price action is going to hit that resistance, I believe that the price action will move up to hit that resistance, because every time when the price line is moving up, it is hitting that resistance. Then approximately, for example, if the price action will hit here, then approximately up to 12 cents, we will see the IOTeX can hit the 12 cents in coming few days. Now, if we place this support here and connect all these wicks of the candlesticks, then it is a kind of broadening formation formed by the price line. And every time, you can see, I'm just going to place this Fibonacci tool from this high to this low, and we can see that the previous candlestick was moved at the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. Now if I again place from this low, this high to this low, then our next Fibonacci extension is coming at approximately 12 cents. That is exactly the resistance of this broadening formation as well. And as we are having very strong signals by the oscillators and the indicators on the weekly time frame, then it is possible that the IOTeX will hit 12 cents. That is the resistance of this broadening formation very soon in coming few days. But for my members at the Patreon, I would suggest them that if they bought it here at this dip, they should close their trades and switch to the next trade, because there are plenty of trades I have been sharing and I am sharing on the daily basis. You can switch your investment to any other trading idea right now. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, and I have also shared the link in the video's description, you can find there. Take care. Goodbye.